Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making cookies and cream chocolate loaded cake. We'll begin by taking a first cake layer. I've already divided my cake into 3 layers. I'll be using my condensed milk cookies and cream frosting. Recipe for that will be in the description box below. Let's add the second layer. Repeat the process by adding all your layers. Once you've added all your layers, even the buttercream on the sides. Let's refrigerate the cake for like 10 minutes so that the buttercream hardens up. It is also called a crumb coat. Now we have chilled the cake. Let's begin by icing the cake. I filled all my buttercream into a piping bag and then I'm going around the cake in this manner. This is my same condensed milk frosting, it's just that I have not added any Oreo bits in this. Once you have done this, let's take a bench scraper and scrape the sides. Go slowly. Keep your scraper perpendicular to the cake. You will have to go about like 3-4 times to get really clean sides. We'll add a dollop of cream on the top, dot with a palette knife. Continue going around the cake until you get clean sides and sharp edges on the cake. It's looking pretty sharp now, but we'll make it a little better by adding the chocolate ganache strips. For ganache, we've got 50 grams of cream and 50 grams of dark chocolate, and microwave it for like 30 seconds into 2-3 intervals till the chocolate gets melted. Just make sure before adding the drips, you chill your cake in the freezer for like 10 minutes. Now we are just going to fill the top with the remaining ganache. Now take your palette knife and just smooth it out completely. Right now the ganache is really soft. Let's pop it into the freezer for like 10 minutes. So I'm decorating my cake now by putting the chocolates randomly all over the cake. You just have to make it look beautiful. That's it. I've brushed some luster dust on my Oreos to enhance the look of the cake. Now I'm adding gold leaf on the sides and some of the chocolates just to give that goldy look. These are 23 karat edible gold sheets used in culinary world just to enhance the look of the cake. It's done. It looks amazing. Comment down below which backdrop you like the most, the sky blue one or the black one. Let me know. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon. You will be notified every time I upload a new video. Check out my other cake decorating videos like Baby Shark and Peppa Pig.